Hi, welcome. We can know information about slope and how we can get the equation of a line. A slope, if we have axis x and y axis, if we have line like L1, this L1, then this point x1 changed from x1 to x2, then the image for x1 equal 1 y1 and x2 image y2. Then this point move from x1 to x2, that mean delta x, and the y1 change it to y2, this base delta y, then the slope meaning tan this angle theta, then tan theta equal delta y over delta x. What mean delta y? Mean changed y2 minus y2 minus y1 over delta x x2 minus x1. That mean slope. Then slope equal tan theta, mean y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This means slope. We know how we can get slope from 2 points. If this point A and this point B. We have exercise. If you have A equal 1, 2 and the point B minus 2 and 3, like this, we need to slope. Then slope, we know delta y over delta x, then y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That means slope equal from 2 points, this x1 y1 x2 y2, then 3 minus 2 over minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 equal 3 minus 2, this change of y, and minus 2 minus 1 change of x, then 3 minus 2 equal 1, minus 2 minus 1 equal minus 3. Then the slope equal minus 1 over 3. That means this slope. We know also how we can get slope from information and the rules about if we have equation like ax plus bx by plus c equal 0. This equation of line, we can know how we can get y and in one size and all go another, mean equal mx plus b, and this constant. What is this? M equal slope, b equal the point cross with y-axis. If we have y-axis, x-axis, and we have line L1, then this point B, this the long high equal B. We know how we can get B and how we can know slope and this angle theta. If he give me 2 point like A and another point B, we need the line equation. How we can get about line equation? We have if A equal minus 1 and 2, B equal 3 and 4y. We need the equation of line cross about A and B. For this, how we can solve this? We know already the equation of line y equal mx plus b. What mean m? M mean slope equal m. What equal m? Change y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 slash 3 minus minus 1, x2 minus x1. Then equal 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 3 minus minus 1 يبقى 3 minus minus 1 equal 4 minus 2 equal 2 over 3 minus multiply minus, then this equal common plus, then 4 equal half 1 over 2. This slope and mean m. Then we have this m, we have already half. This is then this half. We know and we need to method to get b. Then how we can get b? Okay, we choose any point A or B. A or B. We have know already y equal mx plus b. This equation for the line we need. We get already m equal half x plus b equal y. For this, we can choose any point A as minus 1, 2. How we can get b? This x replace and this y. Mean 2 equal 1 over 2x minus 1 plus b. How we can get b? Okay, we know already 2 equal minus 1 over 2 plus b. That mean 2 plus half equal b. Then b equal 5 over 2 equal b. And after this, we can resolve again here. Then y equal 1 over 2x plus 5 over 2. This equation for line we to search about this. We can have another exercise, AX. We need to find the equation for line. Throw A equal 3 and 5. And this line we want this the same A. This line we need to get this equation. This line is parallel with another line. He give me equation for another line, but this parallel like this. What equation? 2x minus 3 y minus 6 equal 0. How we can get slope for this? If you have a slope for this line, then slope for this line L2 equal slope line L1 cause parallel like this. Then slope L1 equal slope L2. But how we can get here the slope? Slope equal minus number of following x, يعني minus 2 over minus 3 vector for y يبقى minus 3 equal 2 over 3. This slope the line 2, this slope line 2, and if slope line 2 slash 3, then slope line 1 the same this line, then mean slope L1 equal slope L2 equal 2 over 3. Then we need the equation for this L1, this then y equal mx plus b. We get already m 2 over 3 x plus b, this equal y. Then we need point, any point like the same a. So this line we wanted to have and get equation, we need any point here throw about and cross about a equal to 3 and 5. Then we can replace 5 equal 2 over 3 x equal 3 x3 plus b. Then 5 equal 3, go with 3, 2 plus b. That mean b, this 5 minus 2 equal b, then b equal 3. We now get b equal 3, then we know already y equal mx plus b, then y equal m slope, we get already 2 over 3x plus b, we get already 3. Then this the equation we need to have it, y equal this slope x plus b equal 3. 3 this if we have line 3 through and the line crossing with y-axis, this point equal 0 and 3, this mean this height equal b. And what mean m slope mean tan theta. Now we can have another exercise. Okay. We have also another a equal 2 and 7, and we need the equation of line, but this different, not the same. The back and first example for this first exam, it parallel like this. This exam, we have another perpendicular, like if this a, the line cross a, through this line. We need the equation of line L1, and this line it perpendicular about another line L2. Then this angle equal 90. Then we need to know the slope for L2. If L2 equation like 2 x plus 5 y minus 7 equal 0, this equation for L2, how we can get slope? We know already slope for L2 equal minus 2 over 5. But this slope for L2, this. We not need slope for L2, we need slope for L1. Then we can change it and have slope for L1 equal 5 over 2, and change if negative make positive, and if positive make negative. This slope for L1 cause perpendicular about line 1 and line 2 perpendicular. For this, why we need the equation? It equal mx plus b. We get already the slope after we change it 5 over 2x plus b. And while how we can get b? B we need through and point A, the same A equal 2 and 7. Then 7 y 7 equal 5 over 2 x equal 2 plus b. Then 7 equal 2 go. Then 5 plus b. Then 7 minus 5 equal b. Then 2 equal b. We can again back to put b, and then y equal 5 over 2x plus b. This equation we need to get about the line we have for equation the line. Okay, we can give the information about if we have x-axis, y-axis, and if you have line parallel x-axis like this, the slope equal 0, cause this x1 coming x2, but no change image y1, change y1, then not change it. Then slope for any line parallel x-axis then equal y minus y over x2 minus x1. That means 0 equal delta x any number equal 0. Then any line the parallel with x-axis like all this line, the slope equals 0. But we can know if I have another x axis, y axis, and we need to come in and get the slope of all line parallel with y axis, then not define. Why not define? We can solve this x about x1 have y1 and no change it, but give y2 and give y3. That means slope equal y2 minus y1 over x minus x, then give delta y in a number over 0, and this is not defined in mathematics. Then undefined in a line parallel y-axis. Then we know already how we can get slope equal delta y over delta x, slope equal tan theta, slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And if two lines parallel together, then slope L1 equal slope to L2. If L1 parallel L2, that means slope L1 equal slope L2. But if you have line like L1 and perpendicular with another line L2, that means this slope M1 and slope L2 M2. Then if we say M1 dot M2 multiply M2, that equal minus 1. That all about information about slope. Thank you. Don't forget, if you see this video, don't forget like and share and subscribe. Thank you, and with you Mr. Salih Abdel Al.